How to fix Google Play Store blocking access on Android phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on Android phone. First open settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here type Play Store and click on it. And here first thing you need to do is to click force stop and now clear cache, and after that go to permissions and allow all of those permissions here, and after that go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and go to clear data and then go to Google Play Services and go to storage, clear cache, and now restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.